In the name of Allah. Voice of Afghan girl and feeling of disappear. Greetings and regards. I'm Zainab Aizay, who gave the final exam of 6th grade today. I bid farewell to teachers and walls of the school. I was very disappointed in this situation. I understand that I'm not allowed to go school after 3 months of vacation. I have a plan to study for bachelor's degree, master degree, and then district degree after graduating of school. And my long-term plan was to become education minister of Afghanistan, so that I can deliver books and notebooks to my Afghan sisters and brothers who are deprived of education in every part of Afghanistan, and provide them with the opportunities of education. But unfortunately, I was deprived of my studies. I'm requesting from all Afghan and other honorable leaders of the world to make more and better efforts regarding the opening of the schools for Afghan girls. Kind regards, Zainab Alizai.